Welcome to EduSys, the all-in-one educational institute software solution designed to transform how schools, colleges, and universities manage their operations. Preschool ERP, School ERP, Academy ERP, College ERP, University ERP. With over 980,000 students, 11 plus countries, and 900 plus clients, EduSys is trusted worldwide.
Hello everyone, welcome to EduSys ERP. Today let us discuss about parent login for the college in the EduSys ERP. Before we start the video, I would like to inform you that the modules and features available to you will depend upon the access permission granted by your respected institution and will be visible only after you log into your account. Please do not get confused by the video demonstration as it showcases all the features and modules supported by the EduSys ERP system, including those that may be enabled for your institution. If you wish to explore or gain access to any feature that is currently not available in your login, we kindly request you to contact your institution directly. Now let us explore the features in the parent login. Dashboards. The dashboards is helpful for parents as it provides a quick and clear overview of important college information through easy to read graph and charts. It consolidates data from various departments, allowing parents to stay informed about the academic performance, attendance, events and other updates at the grace. This visual summary saves time and helps parents stay actively involved in their children's education. Calendar. The EduSys ERP calendar is an elite intelligent scheduling system that unifies academic and administrative activities into a single role-based smart calendar. It goes behind basic scheduling by offering automatic conflict detections, smarter channel reminders, resources booking, external calendar, and workflow automation, ensuring zero clashes, timely alerts, and seamless coordination. This transforms the calendar from a simple data viewer into a central planning and decision-making engine, making EduSys ERP more efficient, proactive, and superior to conveniently ERP system. Campus activity. Higher parent satisfaction, better communication, improved student monitoring, and increased ERP adoption, making EduSys ERP more popular in the market. Achievements. This screen allows parents to view their children's accomplishment, including awards, dates, description, and related comments or documents. If any details need updated, students can request changes through the admin. Behavior. The behavior screen helps parents stay informed about the children's monthly behavior at college, including interaction with faculty and peer. It displays a score based on positive and negative feedback, given a clear overview of contact. If any detail seems incorrect, parents can request changes through the admin for accuracy. Discipline. This screen allows parents to view their children's disciplinary records at college, including incidents, details, action taken, and outcome. This helps parents stay aware of any issues and understanding how they were addressed. Documents. This screen gives parents access to important records related to the children's college education, such as previous academic details, course year, grades, and achievements. Leave summary. The leave summary allows parents to track the children's leave requests at college, including whether they are approved, rejected, or required further action. By providing the status, parents can ensure leave is managed properly and support their children in responding to any college requirement. Food enrollment. The food enrollment screen helps parents manage and customize the children's meal plan at college. They can select food option including any eligible discounts. Parents can also add funds to the wallet and track food and wallet transaction. This ensures the children receives the right meal and helps parents stay in the control of food related expenses. Parent notification. The parent notification feature helps parents stay updated on important college information through alert system via SMS, email, phone call, or app notification based on the options enabled by the college. Personal profile. The personal profile module allows parents to access the children's personal and contact details, family information, medical history, college issued certificate by login to their parent account. This helps parents ensure all records are accurate and up to the date. Branch faculty rating. The branch faculty rating feature allows parents to provide feedback on the college, institution, and faculty by rating various aspects of their experience. This helps parents actively participate in improving the quality of education and campus environment. They can also submit requests or complaints with comments and documents if needed, ensuring their concerns are heard and addressed. Assigned task. The assigned task screen helps parents stay informed about the children's responsibility at the college by showing all assigned tasks, deadlines, and current status. It enables parents to monitor progress, support the children in maintaining tasks, and encouraging accountability. If any issues are raised, students can request help through the system and parents can assist by providing explanation or document. Accounts management. Fee details. The, the fee particular screen helps parents easily view and manage the children college fee, including total amount, payments made, balance, scholarship, and due dates. Parents can make fully or partially payments online and select payment terms that suits them. This feature makes fee tracking and payments simple, transparent, and convenient for parent. Donate funds. The Donate Fund feature allows parents to support the college by contributing to the activity fundraising campaign. Parents can easily make donations online through a secure payment gateway and track their contribution. This feature enables parents to actively participate in and support the college community through growth and development. Scholarship. The scholarship screen helps parents clearly see the scholarship the children has received at college, showing whether the scholarship reduced fee by a fixed amount or a percentage. It also explains which fee type and academic year the scholarship applied to, giving parents a clear understanding of the financial support their child is getting. Wallet history. The wallet history screen helps parents keep track of the children's college wallet activity such as purchases and other expenses. The screen shows important information at the date, amount spent, remaining balance, and receipts for each transaction. Parents can also add money to the wallet directly from the screen. This feature gives parents clear visibility and control over the children's spending at the college. Exam grades. Subject enrollment. The subject enrollment screen helps parents understand how the children select elective courses at the college. It shows important details like course name, deadlines, and credit values, allowing parents to stay informed about the children's academic choice. Parents can support the children in making decisions. This feature keeps parents involved in the children's course planning and academic performance. Re-examination activity. The re-examination activity screen helps parents stay informed about the children exam result, re-exam enrollment, and payment history at the college. Parents can see when their children has assigned for a re-exam, the due dates, associated fee. This allows parents to support the children in managing re-exam attempts and ensure timely payments. Exam timetable. The exam timetable screen helps parents stay informed about the children's upcoming exam at college. It shows important details like exam date, time, location, hall ticket information. Parents can support the children in preparing and managing their schedule. Performance and grade. The performance and grade screen helps parents track the children's academic progress at college by showing marks, grades, and details for each term and assessment. Parents can see whether tests were taken and view average score through the report card. This performance allows parents to understand the children's strength and area for improvement. Report card history. The report card history screen allows parents to access and review the children's past report card at college. It provides important details such as course year, section, percentage, and grades. Parents can view and download report cards to keep track of academic performance over time. Campus operations. Race complaint. The race complaint screen helps parents understand how students' concerns are managed at the college. It shows that complaints and requests are tracked with a clear status from submission to resolution. This transparency assures parents that any issues raised by the children are taken seriously and addressed promptly. Dormitory. Dormitory visitors. The dormitory visitor feature helps parents feel secure by ensuring the college carefully monitor and record all visitors to their children's dormitory. It tracks visitor details like name, relationship, visit time, and purpose, promoting students safely. This system also allows the college to manage visitor access efficiently. Outpass request. The Outpass history screen helps parents keep track of the children's monthly Outpass request at college, including approvals and rejections. Parents can see details like planned and actual out and in time status and any comments. This helps parents stay informed about the children movement and accuracy their safety. Dormitory timetable. The dorm timetable helps parents stay informed about the children's daily schedule in the college dormitory, including activity, timing, and dormitory details. My dormitory. My dormitory screen allows parents to know their children exact living details at the college dormitory, such as building, floor, room type, and bed number. Transportation. The transportation monitor lets parents track the children college bus or vehicle in real time using Google Maps. Parents can see the full route and stops. Transportation details. The transportation screen helps parents stay informed about the children college transportation details, including pickup and drop off locations, vehicle type, route, and estimated time. Library. The library module helps parents stay informed about the children library activity at college. It allows parents to see the books their children has borrowed, including issues and due dates, fines, and other details. Course year room. The course year room screen helps parents stay updated on the children academic activities at the college by providing a clear view of subjects, assignments, and timetable of the course year. Parents can understand how the children manages coursework, submissions, deadlines, and school schedules. This feature supports parents in monitoring academic progress and encourages timely completion of the assignments. Thank you.
Thank you. Unlock the potential of your institution with EduSys. Visit our website to start a free trial or reach out to schedule a personalized demo.